I'm Brynne Kennedy, co-founder and managing partner of BCP Ventures, and I am here today live from the World Economic Forum in Davos with Alexandra Rasch Castillo, the founder and CEO of Caban Systems. And we just led your Series B, so congratulations. Tell us a little bit about Caban and how things are going.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me, and it's great to be here. So at Caban Systems, we focus on the decentralization of energy resources, more specifically around critical infrastructure. So our immediate focus is in telecommunication infrastructure. We provide alternative energy for all mobile network operators. We have operations right now in all of the Americas and are soon evolving and growing into other different markets.
Fabulous. Yeah, 12 countries now you're operating in, right?
Yes.
Great. Well, you've been growing rapidly, I know, and would love for you to share a little bit about how customers are using the solution and maybe an example of a customer benefiting from the Caban Systems innovations.
Yes, so most of our customers, they look for three different things when they work with us. Number one is they look for operational reduction, more specifically around energy. The second thing is they look at anything that could help them overachieve revenue sources over the network. And then number three is reliability. A lot of them is their area of focus is providing the best experience for the end customer. So you and I pick up our phones and we assume that they have service all over the world. We ensure that the carriers and more specifically all the networks have access to power whenever we want to use all of our critical infrastructure. Most of our customers are grid connected and we just provide an alternative source of power. So instead of being grid connected where you don't really understand or know where the energy is coming from, we give them an alternative way to power their network primarily through renewable energy. Additionally, we have helped customers also modernize the network by alleviating the need to provide preventative and proactive maintenances, and more specifically, ensuring that their network is up during the highest peak hours, usually in the afternoons when there's the highest amount of traffic.
And I know you do that in a fully renewable way and have software that brings all of your batteries together to facilitate those maintenance requests and over time trade back to the main grid and between the batteries. So we were super excited when we invested about the vision to create an alternative distributed grid. So maybe with that in mind, can you talk a little bit about where Caban sits in the broader energy transition and climate change conversation?
Yes, so through our hardware and software platforms, we allow our customers to really ride the wave of energy transition. And energy transition, a big part of this movement is decentralizing the way that most critical infrastructure uses power. And so whether a site is grid disconnected or connected, we're effectively helping them, I'd say, alleviate the burden or the capacity increase on the electrical grid. Eventually, right now we have a lot of different pilots going on selling energy back to the grid through capacity programs with utility companies.
Great. Well, we're so happy to be here together with you at Davos. What are you most excited about for this week and maybe also this year?
I think I'm very excited about, I would say I'll start with customers first, is helping our customers achieve their greenhouse gas initiatives, or there's more specifically around GHG protocol, emission reduction. So this would be scope 1, 2, and 3. We help them with all three of them. So I think highlighting some of those initiatives that we're working with customers, and then more specifically around Davos, obviously looking to make new connections, learning more about the energy initiatives and strategies of every country, and looking to meet new customers and potential investors.
Great. Well, we're so happy to be here. This is Alexandra Rasch Castillo, the founder and CEO of Caban Systems.